What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a beautiful 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Good looking two-tone paint, sunburst red and birch white. Good looking color combo. Check this bike over real good. I didn't see any cosmetic issues, no scratches, paint chips, or dents. Bike's in excellent condition. All the chrome looks good. It's got a 103-inch fuel injected twin cam, the 6-speed transmission. I believe it's got some different slip-ons. It's got quite a bit more sound than factory. It's got the leather wrapped hard bags, lockable. You also got the nice big quick detach passenger backrest. It's got the quick detach levers right here. It's also got a luggage rack built into it. Real nice looking bike. Wide white wall tires, wire wheels. It's got the added mustache style engine guard with highway pegs already installed. This bike, it's got a quick detach windshield with the Harley storage bag behind it. It's also got some upgraded LED spot lamps and the matching LED headlight. Good tread on the front tire. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it is eligible for reinstatement of the factory warranty and great financing. We did a multi-point inspection, test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly. Then we gave it a professional detail on this bike. We put on a brand new rear tire and we changed the engine oil. It's also got these added heat shields. And it's still got the hairs on the rear tire. Just put it on. This bike's got low miles, under 10,000. Go ahead and check out exactly what it's got. 8,670. Runs perfect. It's also got this digital dipstick right here so you can keep an eye on the oil temperature. If you'd like to know more about this 2012 Deluxe, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.